This is the Bring Lighting 6000 lumen 60 watt garage light. They call it a deformable lamp, and you'll see exactly why that is in a minute. Let me open up the box. There's a little instruction sheet and a card and the light itself. Now this has a regular E26 or medium base, which means it fits a regular light socket, at least that we have here in the US. That's what it looks like right there, and it's deformable because these bend, as you see, so they can be bent out all the way. Alright, so you can bend it all the way flat like that, and then if you have this in a ceiling fixture as such, this light would shine down. Well, unfortunately I don't have that here, but I can rig something up. And that's what it looks like on. Very bright, and here is the same surface I was working on before. Of course the camera is adjusting for this, but you can even see the floor here and how brightly lit that is. I'm going to kill the rest of the room lights so we have only this now. Very, very bright. Now it brightens everything up just like that. There's no other lights on in here, just this light. And while it may not appear as such now, especially with the camera adjusting, it's kind of dark in this corner, but we can deform the lamp to adjust for that. And now you can see that's lit up very nicely down in that area as well. Now I have most of them folded all the way up. There's still quite a bit of light right below it, but it's not anywhere near as bright as it was, but everywhere else around is very brightly lit. So you can adjust this to what works best in your particular area where you're going to have this light. So a very unique and very, very bright, interesting bulb. I've never seen anything quite like this before, and it seems to work fantastic, and you could set it up for your particular situation. So it looks like this is a go. So once again, this was the Bring Lighting 6000 lumen 60 watt garage light, or deformable lamp as they call it. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.